Neovim is often hailed as the ultimate code editor for power users. But is it really all that? Let's dive into what makes Neovim stand out, and whether it lives up to the hype or just adds to the noise. Neovim is a highly extensible text editor built on the foundations of Vim, aiming to improve the user experience for developers. At its core, Neovim retains the powerful modal editing that Vim users love, but it introduces a host of modern features that enhance usability. The interface is clean and it supports asynchronous plugins, which means you can run tasks in the background without freezing your editor. One of the immediate standout features is its support for Language Server Protocol, LSP, making it easier for developers to get code completion and error checking in real time. The user experience is quite flexible, allowing for extensive customization through configuration files, which can be daunting for newcomers but a dream for seasoned coders. However, the learning curve is significant. If you're not familiar with Vim, you might find Neovim a bit overwhelming at first. Plus, while the community is active, documentation can sometimes feel sparse, making it hard to figure out advanced setups. When it comes to strengths, Neovim's performance is definitely a highlight. The asynchronous capabilities and LSP support make coding much smoother, especially for larger projects. Plus, the vast array of plugins available allows for incredible customization that can cater to any workflow. On the flip side, the steep learning curve might deter some users, particularly those who are used to more graphical interfaces. Additionally, while the community is engaged, certain areas of documentation lack depth, which can be frustrating when trying to troubleshoot or customize your setup. Also, if you're not a fan of keyboard-heavy interfaces, you might find Neovim less appealing. It's really designed for those who are comfortable with command line tools and are looking for an efficient coding environment. In summary, Neovim is a powerful tool for developers who thrive in a text-based environment and want to maximize their coding efficiency. If you're willing to invest the time to learn it, it's definitely worth trying. However, if you prefer a more user-friendly interface, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's a solid choice for serious power users